Good evening once more. So we're going to talk about internet business and how to get traffic using might be the third most visited website in the world, Google, Facebook, and then Twitter. So here we've got Twitter. It's obviously different from most, but like most of them, it's important to set up a profile. I've not really used it in a while, but I'm going to be again. Since it's put a nice picture about your business, put the link in it. I've got a few followers posts and following, sorry, and then a few followers. It's difficult because you need to know about hashtags and SEO marketing, and then there's posts literally every second, so it is quite difficult to get traffic. I'm using AI, which for YouTube it's just ranking all the videos number one. It's just an amazing software. So I've done a short video about that. I would highly recommend getting it. But this video is about Twitter and not AI. That's another training that I do, which is quite good. So we've lost where we were at. So much stuff opened. Reddit, another video that I've done. So Twitter is putting a good profile, and I'll explain why. So I've done posts before. These are just interactions. It's say quite difficult. Even had a manager doing it for me, so you can follow anyone, any a business niche really. To be honest, but I like this button here, explore. So there is, let's see, it's just notifications of perhaps people you are following, and that's just all the tweets, what's trending, all that sort of thing. But so how do I start an online business? So here, some just posts as recently some of these sites where people asking questions, and it's years ago, which is pointless doing that. I use AI, but perhaps for Twitter I wouldn't, just because it's short answers. So here is reply. You can reply to it. This is the amount of times people have shared it, or they call retweeted it, or liked it. One of the few companies that does this, Twitter. The impressions, it's got a lot of traffic, 24 times a tweet has been seen, so only the viewer, the person that posted it, can get access to that. So basically, if they keep liking it and sharing it, it'll get shared quite a lot. So this is a good question to answer. How do I make money online? It's basically asking that, but they put unusual stuff in these tweets that perhaps you don't get. What all this 17-year-old is really talking about. But in a nutshell, how do I make money online? So if you've got AI, you could use it and then type that in. But if it's quite a long answer, maybe just write it yourself. So just type that in. Or you could if you use it, you can just copy some of the answers, so you can maybe just do that. Copy it. Was losing it. There's Twitter there. So you just could do that tweet reply. Just take that out because there's only so many characters with Twitter. So what you could do is put a link. I mean, they've seen that you could click on your link, but if you put reply, see if I can see my reply. I think only he can see it. But if he or anyone else sees it, they would click on my name, a bit like his, and then it would take you to this page, and they would see my link and perhaps click on it anyway. And that is basically the best way, I think, of getting traffic via Twitter. And we, within at the end of the description, our sort of private partner program teaching people how to make money online. So if you want to take a look at it, take a look, and we're glad to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.